Hello world. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry if you are watching this from the playlist because I said I was going to show you how to create your first HTML page. But before we do that, let's make sure we know what HTML is. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It's the foundation of every website you visit, structuring content like text, images, and links. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page. Without it, there's no structure or content. Besides creating websites, HTML can also be used to create apps for both desktop and mobile, games, email templates, ebooks, web-based virtual reality, and more. Let's break down the HTML acronym so you have an idea of what HTML is created for. Hypertext is referring to not only the general text that is used in the HTML file, but also the links to other web pages. The links, also known as hyperlinks, are used to link to other text, documents, or resources, allowing users to navigate between web pages. Hyperlinks are also where the hyper in hypertext comes from. Markup refers to tags that structure and formats the document. The markup text uses elements like H1 tag, P tag, and the A tag, which is also known as anchor tag, to define headings, paragraphs, and links. More on what tags are in another video. Language is referring to the fact that HTML is a markup language and not a programming language. It tells web browsers how to structure and display content. In summary, a great way to remember this is that hypertext is for clickable links for navigation and the text on the document. Markup language is for the tags that structures and formats the page. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. He is a British computer scientist and the inventor of the World Wide Web. In 1989, while working at CERN, a European physics research center, Berners-Lee proposed a system for sharing information using hypertext. In 1991, he released the first version of HTML along with the first web browser and the first web server. You might have heard of CSS and JavaScript, but don't know how this relates to HTML. Well, HTML works with CSS and JavaScript to create fully functional websites. While HTML structures the content, CSS gives it style and makes it look nice, and JavaScript adds interactivity. Now that you know what HTML is, the next step is to take what we've learned about in this video and see it in practice in the next video, for real this time. Don't forget to do the usual subscribe, like, comment. Until next time, keep coding and never stop creating.